Back hair shavers help to remove the hair from all the hard-to-reach places on your back painlessly and effortlessly. These are the best in the business. The Philips Norelco comes with a 3D pivoting head that makes it easy to follow all your body parts for the most comfortable shave. The high-performance trimmer has rounded blades and combs to prevent scratching the skin. Also, the dual-sided design lets you trim and shave with just one product. The battery provides up to 50 minutes of cordless use after a 1-hour charge. It offers 5 full-length settings that comfortably glide over the skin while trimming even the thickest hair. The Split Ends hair trimmer provides a new Surgy trim technology that safely trims the ends of hair where the damaged hair ends in splits, while preserving the beautifully healthy, long hair, ensuring that all are cut healthy. With dry and slick hair, separate a thin hair strand and pass the machine at least 3 times, as if to use a board to smooth. It trims only the hairs that are outside the hair outline, these respected or double-pointed tips that will stay with the frizz throughout the hair. The Man Groomer offers all-new Lithium Max battery, which lasts up to 3 times longer than a standard NiHD/NiCad battery and enables super fast and easy recharges, which gives up 5 hours of life, plus with a red-green indicator charging light. It also features a sleek, lightweight, and compact design which goes from its discreet stored position to fully functional within a matter of seconds. The extra-wide blade enables extremely close and smooth results without the potential of ingrown hairs that manual back razors commonly cause. Also, it provides instant use and to a large 135 degrees to create the perfect back shaving angle. The Remington BHT 600 features a sliding button, so it slides open, making it much longer and easier to hold in your hand. It is waterproof and 100% washable, so you can get out the tiny hairs and lotions from the inside. This cordless trimmer runs on a rechargeable battery. You can recharge it for 90 minutes for up to 30 to 40 minutes of runtime. The 360-degree reversible heads and the 9-position adjustable comb further add to this trimmer's versatility and control. Also, the blades of this trimmer are crafted from high-grade titanium, which is robust, durable, and very sharp. Another unique specialty is that it's convenient to be used while you are bathing. The Man Groomer Do-It-Yourself Shaver has a unique patented design, enabling men of all sizes and shapes to quickly reach all areas of your back from different angles with ease. Also, it provides instant use and to a large 135 degrees to create the perfect back shaving angle. It features a large 1.5-inch blade that enables you to shave more extensive areas of your back with ease and fewer strokes. The all-new Power Hinge Easy Push Lock button allows you to lock your shaver at any angle. Plus, it has a Power Burst button, specially for the thick and coarse hair. And the Man Groomer Ultimate Pro holds the first place among the list of best back hair shavers. It comes with 2 interchangeable attachments shaving heads. The 1.8-inch ultra-wide back hair groomer blade to shave large areas and longer hairs quickly, and also an additional foil body groomer bidirectional head for regular maintenance. The shock absorber multifunctional flex necks on both attachments head effortlessly follow the contours of your back for the perfect blade to skin contact at any angle. It has an advanced quick charge battery, allowing for easy and fast recharging. Like and subscribe to our channel if you liked the video, and to support us, press the bell icon to get notified